Hey guys, I'm Justin Speer, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to set up a custom first aid kit for hiking and backpacking. I'll be using this Vanquest FATPack 5x8 organizer for all my first aid supplies. So the FATPack stands for First Aid Trauma Pack, and it's made by Vanquest, but you can use any bag you can find. I personally love Vanquest, but I know a company called Maxpedition also makes a similar product. Or you can just use any inexpensive bag, whatever you can find. You don't have to get crazy expensive. But these Vanquest Fat Packs come in red, like I have, coyote tan, black, and wolf gray. But I chose the red so it'll stand out easier in my backpack. And if there's an emergency, I can just quickly find it and pull it out of the bag with this nice handle here. So this bag is currently empty, so I just want to show you the setup for it. But here on the outside, we'll start with this pocket right here. And this is some hook and loop or Velcro material here, but it's also a MOLLE system. So on the outside, I want to keep this pocket fairly flat, so I'm just going to put some gloves in here. And gloves are going to be one of the first things I'm going to want to reach for if there's an emergency, so I like having those on the outside. But if you wanted to, you could attach different things with this MOLLE system here. But since I'm going to be keeping my first aid kit in the backpack, I don't want it to catch on anything else that might be in the backpack, so I want to keep this pretty smooth. So moving on to the side of this pack, there's an area here and an area here where you can add some additional items. And for this pack, I want to put some trauma shears here and then a tourniquet on this side. Now, I don't have a tourniquet just yet, so that's going to be one of my next purchases. I definitely want to add that to this pack. But regarding the scissors, normally pack comes with some small little dinky scissors like this, and I suppose they could do the job, but I upgraded that. I got these from Madison Supply, just some better trauma shears. And these can have multiple purposes, not only for first aid, but they're great for cutting paracord or opening packages and anything. So it's just an extra tool to have in your backpack. So I got this handy little case to go with the trauma shears, and this is going to work well with this pack, because I can just slip it right through the side here and button that in. So that's nice and secure. It's not going to come out. I don't like how it dangles off the side and could catch on something in my pack, but I don't want to put the scissors on the inside to fill that up. And turning the pack over to the back, there's some PALS webbing here on this side, and this is in order to attach it to a backpack, or for instance, the seat back in my Jeep has a spot where I could attach this, so that'll come in handy. So now let's get to the inside of the pack. You can just unzip it one at a time, or you can just pull this guy open, and it's got a pretty nice amount of space. So I'm going to start with my biggest item first. I have an Israeli pressure bandage, and I'm going to put that right in the middle. And actually, I'm going to turn that the other way here. Okay. Next, I'm going to add one of these Quick Clot advanced clotting sponges. And so I'll stick that in the pocket right behind the Israeli bandage. Then I'm going to add an Ace bandage type of roll. And then I have several rolls of gauze. Don't want to get too crazy with it, but put some there. And then I have several triangular bandages, which you can never have too many of those. So and then I'm gonna add some Neosporin ointment. Next, I'm gonna add some sterile gauze pads. I have a couple different sizes here. And there's another pocket behind the Israeli bandage. I'm gonna put those in. And in that same pocket behind the Israeli bandage, I'm gonna put this pack of extra gloves. And on this small strip here, I'm gonna put more of my smaller items. I have a pouch here that I filled with some ibuprofen, some cotton swabs, alcohol wipes, different little things there. So I'm gonna tuck those right in here and then put some extra bandages right here. And now that those are in there, I'm gonna tighten this strap to keep these secure. And that's pretty much it. Oh, except for I do need medical tape. So I'm just gonna tuck this in this pocket here. And I think we're done. So now I'll close it up here. Hopefully it all fits. And there we go. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I appreciate it.